Hello! Do you have a lot of small grinding discs? You can't cut properly square tubes? Don't worry, just don't throw them out. I will show you how you can use them all till the very end. Continue watching this video till the end. Here I will use one of my small discs and compare it to a new one. Let's start. Are you ready? Let's draw for first to test one straight line, 3 centimeters. And another, 2 centimeters. Now let's try to cut it. Done. Now let's change the new grinding disc. Again, let's draw the same lines next to the first cut. Let's start the second test. Here you can see incredible difference. Cutting with a small disc will be more accurate and it's cut through. And the most of it is correct, exactly 2 and 3 centimeters. However, for the new disc it's not cut through on both tests. For the new disc the angle is too big to cut 2 centimeters line. And accuracy is very bad, it's harder to cut. Let's make one more test. In this test I will try to cut as many cuts as I can with the small disc. Let's start. Done. I cut 30 times. You see now? You can use small discs till they are completely worn out. If it's hard to daily use it all, just put them in one place and they will be perfect time when you will need them. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe.